Your business moves fast. Your automation should too. The REXX Language Support extension makes it happen. It enables engineers to develop ops MVS automation routines with greater agility, with less risk, and enables you to deliver production-ready automation at full speed. It includes OpsRex syntax highlighting to help you identify errors quickly, as well as providing hover insights for OpsRex built-in functions, host environment names, and AOF event variable names, so all the information is at your fingertips with no need to reference documentation. Auto-completion for those same OpsRex language elements helps speed development. And a library of frequently used OpsRex rule snippets, so you don't need to write your AOF rules from scratch. Plus, if configured, specific ops MVS commands can be run too. Perform common rule actions such as enable, disable, and auto-enable. Enable you to search ops log records for reference. And execute OpsRex programs to assist you in code testing or deployment. Learn more and download the extension today. To explore Code for Z further, visit codeforz.broadcom.com.